the mint leaves. So this is also mint with the purple flower. Just a little bit. So this is a really nice plant to know. If you get stung by a stinging nettle, you just basically collect some leaves, crush them into your hands, and you just rub it on the spot where you get stinged. I don't know the English name, but I will put a title in my video of it, and it's awesome. It works really well. So look out for these, they're very nice. So what we did is like we put the tinder right here, small platform. On top of it there will also go tinder pile, and then basically we're gonna put little sticks at the top, and we're gonna ignite the fire using birch bark. So as you can see right now, we don't have to do very much. So the wind is blowing in, and it's basically catching in this V-shaped structure, and it's very useful, very quick. You don't have to do a lot, just pile on some small sticks, some mint leaves. Very nice stuff, very nice. Very good, very nice. Today I'm going to try to char punk wood, and it's basically rotten wood, and I'm gonna collect some here. And later on I'm going to char it, so stay tuned. So I am adding the punk wood right now. Some more pieces. Put the lid on. So here we have the result of the charred punk wood. As you can see, it's my tinder bundle right here. Some dried out grasses, and right now we're going to throw a spark into it. So yesterday I tried out dried out grass basically, and I have to say the dried out grass works better than the charred punk wood, so you can give it a go. But the dried out grass is, I don't know, it worked much better. I just collected a piece of elderberry, and what I'm going to try to make is to make a pipe out of this to help blowing into the cup I'm making. And as you can see, there's a pith center. So I'm gonna saw off a small piece, small section, and then with a small branch I'm gonna try to take the pith out of it. trying to control the fire, or basically the burning process by an ember, and then basically holding it and blowing on it. That's like this. As you can see, like this, and just work around the edges. And then when you finish this, just put an ember straight down and blow very carefully, because it's going to crack. So leave a lot of space on the sides. Okay, so it's okay. So we finished now burning out the edge, and now I'm gonna scrape everything out, like so. You see the powder, the charcoal out of it. And then basically when we've done that, you're just gonna put an ember straight in the middle now and finish it up, and then maybe cut a piece off, and then basically you have like a quick cup. And everything, the whole process will take about, I would say if you do it the first time right, about 1 hour, 1.5 hours. It goes pretty quick, and it's pretty deep already, so I guess we finish this up in 15 minutes. So as you can see, it goes really quickly. It only took 10 to 5 minutes. I'm almost done. Just gonna blow for a little while, and we're done. It's messy business. This is a tree called hazel, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna harvest the straight branches over here to create some skewers. They are also very handy dandy for arrow shafts, so remember that. This is a plant called burdock, and I'm gonna use the leaf as some kind of a foil. I'll show you that later on.